This is called Moon Chute. Named after that rock down there. Looks a little bit like a butt crack sticking up out of the water.
Nice.
We're gonna go around that rock that looks kind of like an elephant.
Do not worry about that green boat, just run your line.
Forward 2. We're gonna do exactly what Ed is doing up there.
Remember, paddle without a
Forward
conscience.
2.
Do not worry about people who get in your line.
Hey, waterfall?
Yeah, freezing. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen.
I don't see any goosebumps yet.
All right, guys, let's go 1 back. Let's go 2 back. 2 back.
Well, he's dropped down to 64 degrees now. It was 68 on the lake.
And 2 back. 2 back.
2 back.
All right, guys, get ready. All forward. All forward. All forward. Oh boy.
Turn that way now. Now, don't wait. Don't
Right
wait.
forward,
Don't wait.
right back.
All back.
All back. All back.
All back. All back. Back.
All right, hang on.
See back over there, that tongue over the shallow rocks, that's the escape line. Okay.
You think I can make it that way, Fred?
You're gonna get stuck, but you can, it's possible, yeah.
What do you think would be better?
Well, we already missed the better. Now we're in a pin and we have to deal with it. So work your way that way, and then we'll deal with those rocks as we get over there. You might have.
All right, guys, we're moving.
Yeah, stay alert. With a crew like this, with your power to weight ratio, you need to call a lot more strokes for hitting the back above the elephant today. Even before you made the move, you can't wait till the last minute. You're not in the training boat, turkey boat where you have a good ratio. Get on the other side, but be very, very alert and careful. It is going to stick again. Don't worry about it running off and leaving you. It ain't going to happen. Make sure you don't get run over, Pitcher. Hold your bow straight up in the air. We'll be out of here in a minute. No big deal. It's happened many times before. Fisher, get out and push this way. See the rock? See that rock? See the rock that's behind the left side? We gotta get the whole boat beyond it, or we're not gonna keep going. Keep pushing towards me. If you guys move around in a minute.
You want us to bounce?
No, just relax. Doing great, Fisher. Doing a really good job solving this. Okay, what you do now is shift your middle row to the back where they're over the water, and it'll help us get a nice pivot point so you can go down straight. So grab my paddle and put it in the back of your gear if you can. Go ahead, we want to do this quickly because some days it'll fill up water and that makes it really hard. I'm not telling y'all to be quickly, y'all just relax. Watch out for that paddle, I don't want it to hurt you, it's sharp. Pull that paddle up and put it in the back with his paddle. Good, that makes my conscience feel better. And you get all the way back. Watch out, Paul, I doubt we're going to pull out, but when it happens, it won't be controllable. Get ready to jump, Fisher.
You want my paddle down?
Go ahead, jump in the back, Fisher. When you jump in the back, body check it, put some weight on it, it'll help pull us out. knew that was going to happen. Thank you very much. Are you okay, brother? Okay, y'all hop where you're supposed to be. Fish are concentrating on not wrecking this one. Paddle towards the bank. Frontward. Let's go backwards.
Forward 2.
Backwards.
Back 2.
Okay. Stop. You got it.